3 videos in 2 days. We're back on the grind, but we have a very sad video for both of us because we're saying goodbye to our childhood. We'll explain what that means. Yeah, it's very warm. Tell them where we're at.
We are at Lakeside Mall in Sterling Heights.
So the thing about this mall is we grew up coming here. I mean, not together, we didn't really know each other, but in general, this was like the coolest place to be. Everybody loved coming to the mall, but this is literally closing in like 2 weeks permanently, and it's so weird to see this mall like this. All right, so right here used to be an entire water fountain, and you can see like change in there still, like pennies and stuff. They would close this off too. Do you remember for Santa, when Santa would come in here? I was just gonna say Santa would come here. Like JC Penney was over there. Like right here was Victoria's Secret. You pointed that out.
Yeah.
And it's just like I didn't even recognize where we were at in this mall because there's literally no stores left in here.
I know, it's really sad.
This is crazy. It's like our childhood is literally coming to an end.
Like first day of school clothes, like a week before school started.
So this used to be a huge Sears. Like the fact that this is empty. Wait, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember Friday night was the biggest night to come to the mall. Like after school, everybody get ready, come to the mall. We're about to go see how sad of a state this food court is in. All right, so right here used to be a giant indoor carousel. I think they took this out a couple years ago.
I just love the carousel music.
Like there used to be a Taco Bell here, A&W, like all these different spots. This is crazy. I think they just went to Flaming Rock, I think.
I know.
Yeah, we had a jewelry store right here. Brooks Brothers. No, Hollister was over here. That was a jewelry store. It literally feels like we're like on set for like a post-apocalyptic world. Didn't we come in through Macy's? Where are we? Yo, Zoomies, shout out Danny Duncan, was always bumping in here. Hollister was right there. Whoa, that looks so weird. Oh yeah, right there. There was like the Wetzel's Pretzels. Lord and Taylor, that's another big chain that closed down. Hollister is no more. That's crazy. Oh, JCPenney's closing. Claire's is open. Shout out Claire's. Spencer's one of the last remaining few. I think we gotta get out of here. They're closing. Also, the heat's off, or the air's off.
Top.
It's very warm.
Warm.
We feel the sweat building. Oh, we're getting locked in the mall, dude. Could we survive 24 hours in this mall? They're shutting the lights off on us. Yeah, we would struggle. Goodbye, Lakeside Mall.
Goodbye.
Thanks for all the memories. It'd be sweet if I had old footage of like times being here and just play it over as a loop.
That's crazy.
Man, so sad. I've made a grave mistake. Now she's shopping. I'm gonna be trapped here forever. Help me. The only real way to fix a broken heart over Lakeside Mall coming to a close is by trying a new place to eat. You ready to have our stomachs hurt or what?
Our stomachs? You mean mine? Mine's gonna hurt the worst. Get that extra toilet paper ready.
All right, so we have made it back to the homestead. We have Houston's hot chicken. What did you get? Tell them.
I got medium spice chicken tendies with pickles, French fries, and waffles.
And then
wow, your bun looks good.
I got the Houston hot spicy original hot sandwich.
Good bite.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna bite it. Here we go. No sauce.
No sauce. I'm just gonna have a fry. Should've got ranch.
Oh my gosh, it sank. I too got medium spice. It's pretty mild.
That bun looks so good.
Fries are average.
Fries are good.
Try your tender. No sauce. How's it taste?
Not bad.
Do the syrup. Do the syrup. next day vibes. Overall, not feeling the greatest, but we ate a lot of food yesterday. So that's probably why. But the chicken itself, tender, not too spicy, good flavor. The fries had great seasoning. Not that crisp as I'd like, but overall, pretty decent. But for what I was hoping it would be, it was a bit of a letdown. And this video was already so sad enough, saying goodbye to Lakeside Mall. The fact that that chicken couldn't pick up my spirit, just devastating. But that is going to be it for this video. A bittersweet goodbye to Lakeside Mall. All of our childhood memories, our teen year memories, kind of going away. But the memories will always stay. That's what they say. So I hope you enjoyed it. Little sentimental, little fun, and some chicken. You can't beat that, right? So please drop that like, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications. Send the video to a friend. You know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.